one of CERN mission is training and education. The training of tomorrow's scientists, but also the education for the general public, school and the students and teachers, and in general sharing what we do with society. With the Science Gateway, we want to empower all those who will come and visit it, and also inspire them with the beauty, the usefulness and the values of science.
FCA will be the largest single donor to the Science Gateway.
It will be housed in an emblematic building complex designed by Renzo Piano Building Workshop architects.
The building we are designing, it will be part of this logic. That is science, is research, it's technology, it's construction. When you look at those magnets there, you understand what this building will be.
The Science Gateway is an ambitious project that is soon to be a reality.
This building will be a little town flying above Rue de Marais, connected by a street and a bridge.
It's really great to see everyone interacting with all the exhibits, having fun, interacting with people, learning things, discovering all the exciting science happening at CERN. You can try your hand colliding particles. You can even travel back in time 13.8 billion years to find out where your particles came from.
Regardless of our background, of our passport, of our ethnicity, of our tradition, our belief, our gender, here we all work together, animated by the same passions for knowledge.
Alors on s'attend à avoir entre 300 000 et 500 000 personnes par an. Là on arrive avec un outil pour le public, pour les visiteurs, qui va vraiment faire une différence et qui est remarquable, je pense.
Pour moi, le portail de la science est un rêve qui se réalise.